What's up, everybody? How you doing? It's your boy Germaine, and today I'm going to unbox this XP-Pen Deco 03 graphic tablet. I always talk about this. If you see my YouTube content, I'm always talking about this. I paid $100 for this maybe back in 2019. Amazon ended up sending me two. I forgot what happened, but anyway, I've been having this one, and now I have another reason to use it, so I'm getting ready to unbox it for you guys so you can see what's going on with it. Okay, so yeah, this cost $100. I'll put a link in the bio. If you see the box, it's a pretty cool looking box. You look on the back, you know, they tell you different features and whatnot, specs, you know, the whole shebang. So let me get to opening this thing up for you guys. All right, have a pretty cool sleeve right here. You just slide this out, turn it. Forgive the glare on the box, guys. There we go. You heard that? It's crazy, huh? All right, there's your sleeve. I'll put this over to the side. Turn it around. See, it's red, of course, as you can see. Let me grab something. Ready? Take these scissors. Yeah, I use this when I edit. It travels with me. I go all over the place. Man, I used to bring this thing to work with me, all kind of different things, man. When I had some downtime, why not get some editing in, especially if you backed up, right? Those scissors off to the side. All right, put it back in the middle so you can see. I'm gonna open it up. There you go. I forgot how I even ran across this. I believe I was looking for the Wacom tablet, and I was like, I didn't want to invest that much money without actually seeing if this was the avenue for me. So I found this. I checked out the reviews. The reviews, they were pretty straight. So I said, you know what? It's $100. Let me invest in myself and see what's going on. And I've been using the one that I have at home. I've been using that one ever since 2019, and it hasn't failed me at all. All right, so this is the actual tablet. I'm gonna put it off to the side and show you everything else that's in the pack. Got your glove. They serious with it, huh? Got you a rag to wipe it. Wipe it off when need be. That's really like a lens wipe as well. Let me show you this right here. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. These might be additional tips, I believe, for the stylus, because of course you do get a stylus with this. All right. Oh no, this is a brush to clean off the tablet. Cool. All right, put that up in there. You have your brush. I'm gonna put the brush off to the side along with the paper. You have a rag to wipe off your tablet. You see that? Pretty cool, huh? Got you a pair of gloves. Now I'm gonna keep it G with y'all. I'm gonna be honest. I've never put on the gloves. I forgot they came in there. I'm not that dedicated, but I'm pretty sure this has something to do with when you're doing something that I don't use the tablet for. So I'm gonna put that back. You can check it out on your own and see what's up with it. All right, I'm gonna put that back in there along with the paper. Slide this off to the side. All right, and this one, and this wrapper, baggie, whatever you want to call it. Of course, you have your cord. Now, the beauty about this tablet is it can be wired or used wirelessly. So I'll say 60% to 70% of the time I use the wireless function, but you need this cord in order to charge the actual tablet, because you charge the tablet and not the stylus. The stylus operates off of the power that's generated from the tablet itself, right? All right, so this cord right here. You need this depending on how much you use it, and if you leave it on when you're not using your computer, the tablet stays charged for a while. So I don't really have to charge it a lot. A lot of times when I go out of town, I just bring I bring this cable with me, and I just use it like that. So it's pretty cool. You have your warranty policy that's included. You have a thanks. This is this is a glove for 2 fingers. So I guess this gives you an additional grip for the actual pen. I forgot it even came along with it, guys. This is your how-to, your instruction manual right here. All right, so I'm gonna put all of this back into the box. I'll leave this out. Put the glove back. I'm gonna put this one back up in here as well. The brush, I don't use the brush. I have a few of those. Plus, I forgot they even came along with it. All right, I'm gonna put this right over here. We're gonna close this up, and I'm gonna show you the actual tablet itself. All right. So, again, this is the tablet in the wrapper that it comes with. This is a QR code if you want to download the latest driver for your computer. Also here, like you have some times when you can reach out to customer service if you have any questions or problems, anything like that. I've never had to. Again, I paid $100 for this thing, and this thing is a beast, man. So let me open this up. Got a pretty good wrapper right here. All right, and as you can see, it's wrapped again. All right, this is what the back looks like. You have your serial numbers, you have a warning down there, you have your FCC labels, and on here what I'll do is, let me take off this. Yeah, this just slides right off. Boom. This is your actual tablet. I'm gonna put the tablet on top of the box. The box is basically the size of the tablet, so it gives you a very good representation when you get the box how big the actual tablet is. And the tablet is a nice size. I'm gonna put that right there. Now, you don't have a screen on here like a Wacom tablet or anything along those lines. However, I'm gonna tell you, this thing is a beast. Hold up. What I didn't see was my stylus. Let me see. Hold on. Open that back up. I knew I was missing something. Yeah, there we go. Woo! I was about to say, man, hold up. Like they say in Texas sometimes. Hold up, Watts. Alrighty, here we go. Hate to rip the box up. I like to keep my boxes intact, but hey. Alrighty, so I'm gonna put this back on top. Put it right here in the middle so you guys can see that. I got my cord right there, paper right over there. This is the case for the stylus. This actually comes in very handy. And also, something else that I do believe you get with this, I believe you get a carrying case. I may be wrong. Or maybe I bought the carrying case. Yeah, I think the carrying case came with the purchase. All right, I would have to show you guys that at a later time. But, all right, so this case is good because it allows you to store your stylus as well as the tips for your stylus and the USB jack. All right, so what you do is you unscrew it, put it down. There you go. All right, that's your top. Put your top down. This is your stylus. Pretty sleek. You have 2 buttons on your stylus here. It's about the size of the actual unit, that you house it in. And yeah, it slide it down so I can get back in focus. All right. So at this point, when you have your stylus, you just use it as you would a pen or pencil or what have you. These buttons right here are programmable, so whatever you would like to program these to, depending on what software you're actually using, you can typically do that. I mainly use this in Photoshop, but I'm gonna tell you something about it. What it actually does is it acts as a mouse. So you can drag it across and you can use the interface as you would a mouse if you don't have a mouse at that point in time. So it's pretty cool. This wheel, you can use this wheel to zoom in. You can do all kind of different things with the wheel. You can program it. You can also go into the app that comes along with this tablet, and you can program the app for your pen pressure, as well as if you're right-handed, left-handed, which one of these buttons on the actual stylus right here would be your right click as well as your left click. You can program all of that. You can do a lot of different things in the app. Really, to be honest with you, I don't really use the app that much because I have my settings set where I want them to be. And yeah, you know, it's pretty cool. It's lightweight. It's not that heavy. I'm gonna have to look on the box to find out the actual weight, and I can do that real fast because I have the box right here. Let's see. Okay. I don't see the actual specs as far as weight. I would have to go into the box, the booklet for that. But I will tell you this, the active area on this tablet, the area that you can actually use is 10 by 5.62 inches. So, it's pretty big. You don't realize it until you, hold up, y'all, I bumped the C-stand. I apologize for that. You don't realize that this thing really covers a lot of space until you get into the actual program that you're going to use it in. Again, I mainly use this in Photoshop. I don't really have a need for it anywhere else. That's just the way I choose to work. The stylus has 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity. I don't really know too much about pressure sensitivity when it comes to stylus usage, but it seems like I would assume that that's a lot. The report rate is 266 RPS. Don't know what that is. As far as the pen, it's a passive pen, hot express, whatever that is 6. Again, guys, I don't really know too much about it. I really didn't do a whole lot of homework as far as the specs on here. I just wanted to bring you guys an unboxing just to show you what you actually get with the XP-Pen Deco 3 graphic tablet. Let me see what else you need to know. Yes, I told you guys that it's usable for both right and left hand. This dial, this is a quick dial. As I previously stated, you can do a lot of different things with this. This button, you can tap this button. You can assign this button to serve as a function or a shortcut depending on what program you're using, as well as these buttons. Oh, let me show you something else too. I forgot to show you guys this. All right, so on the back hand or the back end of the stylus case, you can unscrew this, and this holds the USB receiver. It's snug in there. I love that fact. You don't have to worry about it slipping out. This is your USB receiver plug right here, and then also too, they give you 8 they give you 8 different tips for your stylus. Again, I don't use this to draw. I mainly use this to edit. Well, I only use this to edit basically in Photoshop, and I've been using the same tip on my stylus for about 3 years now, going on 4 years, and I haven't had any issues with the tip. I haven't had to change it or anything like that. So, depending on what you're going to use it for, how rough you are, and how hard you use your actual stylus, I can't tell you how often you would have to change those tips. Again, I've been using mine. This is year number 3, going on to year 4, and I haven't had to change those tips. So it's pretty dope. So again, guys, I appreciate you checking out this video. This tablet is a beast. Again, I've been using it for a while now. It serves all of the purposes that I need. I will leave a link in the description below, and I hope you guys take the time out to learn how to edit your photos with a graphic tablet. Trust and believe you can do way more. You have way more flexibility using a graphic tablet as opposed to a mouse. So with that being said, if you guys have any questions, any comments, or anything along those lines, feel free to reach out, leave me a comment, shoot me a DM wherever you're watching this video. I will respond to your messages, and I hope you guys have a great day. Like this video. If you're watching it on YouTube, like this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and please click the bell so that you can be notified of all my upcoming content. Okay, so I hope you guys have a great day again, and peace.